Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 Pro and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So first of all we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on the video. If you can see this red dot actually inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we can take a look at this option bar, and fortunately the resolution is kind of highlighted right here, so we've got the shortcut for it. Let's simply tap on this option, which is the first from the right side, and as you can see we've got 4 different options from which you can pick 720p, 1080p with 30 or 60 frames per second, and 2K. It's basically up to you. So all you have to do is to tap on the option you'd like to use, and I will pick for example 2K, and as you can see this icon will also change, which means that you can always check the resolution, and from now on your device will record the videos with chosen resolution. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.